Hi guys, this is Armani, and right now you are watching DJI Osmo Action 3. Right now we are going to unbox Adventure Combo, and this is the pack, and we will unbox and we will watch what's inside. This is a charging case, and inside they have three batteries, so you can charge them inside here also, and also with the camera. As you can see, three lights are on. It will indicate if your battery is full. Type C to Type C cable, but you need to buy your own charger. Two magnetic mounts for the camera, and they are really strong. You can use from the one from DJI Action 2 also. You can use with the DJI Action 3. This is the case for the camera. This is very useful when you need to use more accessories. This is the camera look, and but hold on, there is something remaining. Let's see this first. This is extendable camera handler. You can use it, and also for this one you need to buy your own tripod stand. It doesn't come with the tripod stand, so you need to buy your own, but it is extendable and it's very useful, and I will show you how to use it. This is for the battery, and also you can see micro SD card space, and you can use maximum 256 gigabyte micro SD card right now with this camera. Let's try the battery, and we will try to turn on the camera. Let's see how it works. It has two screens, one in the front, one in the back, and both of them are touch screens. Unlike GoPro has two screens, but only rear screen is touch screen. But the front screen of the GoPro 11, they have only normal screen, but in this one both screens are touch screen. Right now we will go to try magnetic mount, and we will see how strong is this one. You need to check which side you can use. It should be DJI logo, should be in the front, and this is very strong, and you cannot take it out without pressing both of these two buttons. It's time to try camera case. You need to unsqueeze here, and then you can put the camera inside, and then you can lock it again. I will try it now. Yes, Now you can see this one, and here you can add one additional magnetic mount with this camera case, and you can attach more accessories with this one. I will show you. I will try to attach another one also like this, so it has two. Right now we are going to try handler, a stick you can say. It is extendable. I will try to extend it. First I need to mount it properly. You need to adjust, and then you can tighten it on the level you like, and then I will try to extend it to show you how it is extendable. That's it for now. You will see me in another video very soon. Please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos,